Tell me a little about yourself.
My name is Rehan Raken. I was born in Magelang. I live in my Mega Regency housing. I am from SMK Mitra 3, majoring in electrical engineering. I am 17 years old. My father's job is a private employer and my mother housing wife. A hobby, I play ball and volleyball.
What are your strengths? I have a very high leadership spirit. I am trusted by my event team. I can work under pressure and I can work with teams with very striking results. For example, such as food festival and seminar, as a leader and PIC to manage the system well and manage my teammates better. What are your weaknesses? My weakness cannot be rushed due to very satisfying result to the team or customer. Tell me about your educational background. Education from 2009 to 2015 with SDN Kasari 01. After studying for 6 years, I entered SMP IT Ayatul Husna for 3 years. After studying for 3 years, I entered SMK Mitra Industri in 2018. Until now, I am still studying at SMK Mitra Industri. Tell me about your experience. My experience in elementary school has been a ceremony officer for Sukasari. My junior high school experience has been the chairman of a food festival in my school area. And my vocational school experience is that I have won 2 places in the angklung competition as Astra Honda Motor or AHM. And my street vendors experience at PT Asahi Best Bus Indonesia become PIC wire, which was in charge of regulating the producing of wire specified by the PT and regulating the flow of incoming and outgoing wires in the company. My experience PT Jotun Indonesia was that I had assembled a Jotun dispenser machine and was greatly appreciated by the boss due to work net and fast, and my position at PT Jotun Indonesia as MC Care is the one in charge of repairing damaged machine, sending patch and data. What do you want to be doing 5 years from now? Next 5 years from now on, I want to work for a business in the digital field or produce an item such as online shop and so on. And after that, I will develop the business by studying according to the department. For example, electronics, and I want to work while studying to work to earn money so that can develop business well and go to college to increase knowledge and insight so that the business is well maintained. I want to be an enterprise. I will tell you success. Are you an organized person? I am an organisasi person, or I have organized in school both from SMP until SMK. Why do you want to work in this company? Because my abilities are very suitable and PT Jotun Indonesia, and I'm very quick to adapt to friends and the environment. I have great good skills, and I have been appreciated by Mr. Eka, or chairman of MC Care Indonesia, Mr. Jamal, chair of MC Care Asia and Indonesia technician, and IR often called up to help fix machine at the shop. What department do you want to work? Part I want to apply for at PT Jotun Indonesia is the MC Care or decorative retail part, because I already have skill in that field. For example, I can work the dispenser machine properly. and my quality control is very good, and I'm a very detailed person at quality control. Why is that? Because so that customers are satisfied with the product produced by PT Jotun Indonesia. Do you work well under pressure? Quite good at working under pressure, and I have worked under pressure, for example at the AC Bus Indonesia company. In that company everyone must save the target set by the company, otherwise it will result in being fired from the company. Why should I hear you? I'm a neat person at work, and my position strike at the company, and I'm the person who is very detailed with quality control and managing the line on managing the production of the company. Thank you, more or less sorry.